Pacific Air welcomes you to Manila, Philippines. Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed at Ninoy Aquino International Airport. The local time now is at 30 minutes past the hour of 10 in the evening. And for your information, there is no time difference between Singapore and Manila, Philippines. The ground temperature is at 32 degrees Celsius. On behalf of your flight deck crew head by Captain Arguiles and First Officer De La Cruz, together with the rest of the crew for this flight, we would like to thank you for making Cebu Pacific as your airline of choice. It was indeed a pleasure having you all on board, and we hope to see you again in one of your future flights with us. May you enjoy your stay here in Manila, Philippines, or wherever your onward destination may be. Muli po, maraming salamat sa pagtangkilik at pagsakay ninyo sa Cebu Pacific. Magandang gabi.